Hello, my name is Akirito. Today I'd like to teach you how to play Don't Stop Me Now by Queen. So first I'm going to explain the chords, and later I'm going to explain the strumming patterns, and then I'm going to sing a song for you so that you can get how it goes. So first I'm going to teach you how to play each chord. The first chord you need to know is A. With your point finger on the first fret of the third string, and with your middle finger on the second fret of the top string. That's A. Now you need to play another chords, A minor. Just remove the point finger from A. So with your middle finger on the second fret of the top string, that's A minor. The next chord you need to know is C. This one, with your link finger on the third fret of the first string. That's C. The next chord is C7, with a point finger on the first fret of the first string. That's C7. The next chord is D minor, with a point finger on the first fret of the second string, and with your middle finger on the second fret of the top string, and with your link finger on the second fret of the third string. That's D minor. Alright? Are you following me? Okay. So, next one is E minor. This one, with a point finger on the second fret of the first string, and with your middle finger on the third fret of the second string, and with your link finger on the first fret of the third string. That's E minor. So you're gonna make like a stairs, here, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's E minor. The next chord is F. Yeah, this one, with a point finger on the first fret of the second string, and with a middle finger on the second fret of the top string. That's F. The next chord is a little bit tricky, but F sharp. It's actually one fret up of the F, Just bar the first fret, and with your middle finger on the, second fret of the second string, and with your middle finger on the third fret of the top string. That's F sharp. You see, the same shape as F, but just one fret up. If you go one fret up, the sound will be half up, the sharp. It goes sharp, augmented a little bit. So, yeah, that's, F sharp. The next chord is G. By the way, there are two ways to play G in this song as well. So I'm gonna introduce you the G like this. This is G version 2. I just named version 2 because it's, like unusual way to play G. This one, see, F, F sharp, and G. You see, the same shape. So this is G. Yeah, okay, bar the second fret, and with your middle finger on the third fret of the second string, and with your link finger on the fourth fret of the top string. That's G version 2, I would say. And then, of course, you're gonna play the normal G as well. This one, with your point finger on the second fret of the third string, and with your middle finger on the second fret of the first string, and with your link finger on the third fret of the second string. That's G. And the last chord you need to know is G sus4. It's very easy. Just add your pinky on the third fret of the first string to normal G. That's sus4. So this is sus4, so it's easy, I think. Yeah, that's the all chords you need to know. Now I'm going to explain the strumming pattern of this song. So basically, this is the pattern. As an example, I use G, by the way. So play like down, down, up, up, down, up. So that's one pattern. So down, down, up, down, up. When you go down, play with your point finger and play upwards with your thumb. Okay. So down, down, thumb, thumb, down, thumb. Okay. So it goes like this. Just practice until you get it. Okay. So now I'm going to sing a song for you so that you can get how it goes.
Tonight, gonna have myself a good time. I feel like and the world turning inside out. Yeah, I'm falling around in ecstasy. So don't stop me now. Don't stop me, 'cause I'm having a good time, having a good time. I'm a shooting star leaping through the sky like a tiger, defying laws of gravity. I'm a racing car passing by, a lady of Galva. I'm gonna go, 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 go. There's no stopping me. Burning through the sky, yeah. 200 degrees, that's why they call me Mr. Fahrenheit. I'm traveling at the speed of light. I'm gonna make a supersonic man out of you. Don't stop me now. I'm having such a good time, having a ball. Don't stop me now. If you wanna have a good time, just give me a call. Don't stop me, 'cause I'm having a good time. Don't stop me, 'cause I'm having a good time. Don't wanna stop at all.
If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and leave some comment. Please leave some comments if you like it. And no, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.